Hi Lyceans! In this video, we'll walk you through how to access your course materials inside the myLPU eLearning portal. After logging in your course dashboard, click on the subject you want to view. Inside the course, scroll down through the topics or weeks. This is where your professors upload all your learning materials or resources. You might see different types of content like files, pages, lessons, books, and more. Files are usually PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoints, images, or videos. Click to open or download. Pages contain text or embedded content that opens right inside the LMS. Lessons guide you step by step through learning content. Follow the buttons to continue. Books are organized like chapters. Click each page to read through the material. You may also find folders that contain multiple resources. Just click to expand and view what's inside. Make sure to check every section regularly for updates and new materials from your professors. That's it. Now you know how to access everything you need to start learning in the myLPU eLearning portal. See you in the next video, Lyceans.